afternoon, guys. It is 3:46. I'm just now starting the vlog. I'm actually editing a couple vlogs that I have that have not been taken care of yet, so that is what I'm doing. However, I'm editing a vlog where I'm talking about how my iMovie keeps force quitting, like, on its own, and now it's happening. Like, as soon as I drag the piece down to edit, it popped up again. And I know you guys won't see this until later, but look at iMovie has quit unexpectedly. How nice of you. Now, are you not gonna open? Oh, okay. No, wrong project. Look at this. Rude. It's not even focusing. The heck? Open. Stuff makes me so angry. I hate technology sometimes. Oh, thank you for opening. So, hold on. Where's all my videos? So, I'm here. Literally just pulled it down into the video, and so I can edit the clip. And it's literally the clip of me explaining. Okay, my iMovie keeps doing this, and I'm not quite sure why, but it's making me super angry. I'm just vlogception. Wow. So hopefully me recording this, it will not freak out on me. Oh my god, I'm tired. So, fun things that are happening today. Nothing. Just kidding. Later I'm going to go with Jordan to get her nose pierced, and I want to get mine done so bad. I wore her nose ring, Sunday. I wore her nose ring Sunday, like with it just resting there. And I really want mine done, but I don't know if I can commit to it, so I might just get, like, nose rings and then just wear them and be like a poser until I can actually, like, commit to it, because that's, like, on my face, and, like, I like it. I loved how it looked. I just don't know if I can pull myself to do it, so I'm gonna go see her get hers done, and hopefully it'll inspire me to get mine done, but I want it so bad. I also really want Starbucks, so I might need to go get tea later. But so far today, I took a shower and I vacuumed, and I woke up at 12. So fun. I gotta finish editing this, and then I gotta finish getting ready, and then I'm gonna go meet Jordan and hang out with her for a little bit before I gotta come home and make dinner. A little older, so we're gonna have to be out here with them every time. We can't just let him out here by himself, especially Landon. He'll just lay there. Now we have a park in our own backyard. I showed them. Huh? He's a boy. Let him play with there. Are you excited? He has no idea. I think when he sees it, he's gonna be like,
I worked like a bajillion hours yesterday. I got to leave at 2:30.
hey.
Notice it's 4:30 now.
What are you doing?
I don't know. I came home. I forgot you were going out with Jordan.
You want to go with us?
Nope.
You don't want to hang out with us?
I do not want to go to a piercing place. I don't want to see her get a nose pierced. I don't want to hear about piercings.
You can always know some time.
I know, you gotta cancel on her.
No, I can't.
Well, pierce your nose here.
Tyler.
Alright, here's the piercing challenge.
Isn't that nice?
I'll probably come. Tickle!
No.
Where's Daisy? You know she's freaking out right now. The big reveal. Hi!
You've seen me all day today.
She's like, he's here.
Hi, Jordan. So we are here so she can get her nose pierced for the third time.
Guess who came?
Are you gonna be able to go in and just get it, or I mean, is there gonna
I'm
be
just
a
gonna
wait?
walk in.
Okay.
And be like,
It's 5 o'clock on a Tuesday.
It looks like it's packed.
Scary, yeah? You can keep your eyes closed if you want. Alright, deep breath. Scar tissue though. I'm just gonna get a little bit.
Alright.
How are the tears?
Not as bad as last time. Like, I have one single tear
Yeah.
this time.
I'm gonna say that's the just in case you start crying paper towel.
Yeah. Everyone's like, doesn't it hurt? I'm like, not really. And they're like, well, what's it feel like? I'm like you got punched in the nose, kind of. And they're like, well, doesn't that hurt? I'm like, I mean, if you think getting punched in the nose hurts.
Dude, I've stubbed my toe way worse than any piercing I've ever got.
That's what I'm saying. I was like, not right now.
Dude, I have like this is my life. I'm like an IKEA an addict. Like I don't know why it just happened. You know, they opened an IKEA in Ybor, and now I live there. My bed set is an IKEA bed set, and the drawer will be out just an inch every so often, and I'll forget to my wife won't push it back all the way, or I won't push it back all the way, or someone's an asshole and pulls it out a little bit. And I swear to God, my poor pinky right now has got I don't know, it's probably broken.
Good noise. We are headed to Publix right now. Jordan got her nose done, which you saw, and
I didn't realize the nose job was so quick.
now we're going to find food for dinner. Are you zooming on my face?
No.
Are you lying?
No.
Put the thing up.
Put wow, this.
Okay. I don't trust you sometimes.
You never trust me.
I always trust you. Anyways, so
Except for
we
sometimes.
are gonna go find food to eat for
Feet.
dinner.
Uh-oh.
Why would you put
Don't hit that car.
shopping cart right there?
Shopping car. You want me to push you in?
Yeah. Okay, so we came to Publix and I really wanted tea.
Hot tea.
No, I didn't want hot tea. I wanted cold tea, so we got it. And now all we can get is tea because we don't have room for anything else. And we still don't know what we want
Gel bars?
for dinner. No. What's for dinner?
What about this stuff? Can't this be something?
That's
Freaking
literally...
casserole. Nasty.
What about this stuff? Can we make something?
Yeah, duh.
Hamburgers. Okay, pickle
salad.
Pickle sandwiches. I don't know what to get though. We just had those. Chicken liver?
The Seattle Mariners home field, Comerica Park, is selling toasted grasshoppers with lime chili salt.
Why?
They're doing it for like a Korean Heritage Month.
Oh.
And
Turkey sticks?
those are popsicles, great.
Oh, silly.
But they
me.
sold out their first day.
Ew, that's gross.
Yeah.
I honestly don't know what to get. So we ended up staying for 25 minutes in Publix and we got
Fury cheesesteak.
fairy cheese stick.
Fury trees.
Fury trees. Philly cheesesteaks. And I
They're all over the place.
am pretty excited. Not excited to cook it. Tyler, you gonna cook it? Take that as a no.
I'm gonna drink some tea.
I'm gonna drink some tea too, and then I'm going to...
I'm gonna put some vodka
You're gonna put vodka in your tea?
in my tea.
In your... okay. I'm eating Philly cheesesteaks and I keep getting burnt. No fun. No fun. These won't cook.
Action shot.
Careful for my camera. Careful for my camera. Okay, so we made Philly cheesesteaks, and then we put, I don't know if you can see, that's mac and cheese, and then we put peppers and onions, and then we topped it with provolone, and it looks bomb. It looks
Time to broil that
so
dish.
good. We're gonna broil it, and it's gonna look delicious. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for today's vlog. Tyler and I have just been playing games. We've just been playing 7 Days to Die, and this is 7 Days to Die? 7 Days to Live. 7 Days to Die. And it is probably one of our favorite games to play together. Look at fun! It's like Minecraft, but much cooler in its own way. I made my house all super cute and stuff. Look at windows and more windows. Where are they? There's zombies coming after us. Got my TV here. Are they still out back?
Yeah, I guess.
It's so hard to play with one hand.
Real cool.
Ew. I don't know where they are. Are you running around?
Mm-hmm.
I think it's all over here. It's so weird. Oh my god, this is so difficult. Okay, here we go. Okay, they all died. Oh!
Oh, on that note.
Oh god, I'm zoomed in. Alright, I gotta get myself back up the stairs, and then I'm going to end the game and call it a night. I go to sleep. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.